And just for an added bonus, here is a looky-loo inside a rear differential. So this is the plug that I removed. Okay. And then let's take a look inside. Your rear differential lets your wheels spin at a different rate because as you turn a corner, your inside wheel has to slow down as opposed to your outside wheel has to be going at a faster rate. You know, like in a go-kart or something, if it's just a straight axle, the wheels will kind of bark at you as you turn a corner. You don't want that in a real car. So anyway, there's what it looks like. So my 78 Corvette has started making a little noise in the corners after longer runs. Like if I get down the interstate or highway and I've had it out for a couple hours, then when I start to make the smaller turns, it creaks and pops at me. So today I'm using a suction gun to pull some of the old rear differential fluid out and swap in some new fresh synthetic gear oil and see if that smooths things out. The rear differential is what lets the back wheels spin at different speeds. When you go around a corner, if the fluid gets worn down, you can sometimes hear chatter or noise in the turns. And that's what I've been noticing after these longer runs. So I'm doing a fluid swap using a suction gun to pull out the old fluid and then refill with fresh synthetic 75W90 red line gear oil. And I'll give a quick rundown of the processes and the tools that I'm using just to share my experience with this classic C3. All right, so let's get to it. Let's get to it before I get too tipsy McDermott. All right, let's get back on track here, folks. All right, so here's the squillio dealio. I have to use my open-end adjustable wrench because this is a square head bolt that keeps that in there. And so I got my pan ready to catch any of this. And sorry to show the back of my hand. Okay, so I took this off, and a little bit of oil, as they say in German, or oil here in the States. Got this tag on here: use limited slip differential lubricant only. All right, so the last time I changed this, I topped it off. And so now, oh God, that stinks so bad. Okay, I'm going to use my sucker's gun to get, in the past, I used standard rear differential fluid. And now I've got the heavy duty red line that I'm going to do. And this drain plug is, although I don't know that it's really a drain plug per se, is not at the bottom like, you know, if you change your oil or something, it's not. So you have to get in here with this sucker's gun and take out the fluid as such, which is what I'm doing before I get too tipsy McDermott. By the way, most all of these fart noises you're hearing are from sucking out this oil. However, not all of the fart noises are because of that. Oh oh. I got some oil on the exhaust pipe. Is that going to stink to high hell? Yes. Along with the other mystery smell? Yes, because I already did eat the supper from cooking on the grill. There we go. Now I've got that hose down there at the bottom, and I'm really digging in deep. All right. There's those fart noises again. All right. So, there we go. There we go. I'm getting ready to go on a Corvette run where it's going to be a lot of people in several hours. Actually, it's going to be most of the day. And so I'm just trying to do this to get ready. And that's the way it is. Good Lord. The stench is just unbearable. Ugh. The rear differential fluid stinks pretty bad too. Last thing I wanted was USB port in the old school shit, so USB ports in the glove box. Oh, here, I know somebody's gonna say, well, let me see, goddammit. Okay, all right. Where is it? Oh, right there. All right, everybody, calm down, calm down. Oh, that's the Bluetooth. I was like, what the fuck is that? And that's I put a toggle in there to activate the Bluetooth because I felt like it, and it's my car, so I did a toggle to activate the Bluetooth. I just spliced it in. Alright, anyway. So, I apologize for the foul stench, some of which is actually coming from the rear diff fluid. And so now, I'm going to top this off with the new fluid. Is it a messy processes? Yes, it is. And I'm sorry to show the back of my hand. Damn it, I'm trying not to. Okay, I'm trying not to show the back of my hand. Bah. Oh boy. Yeah, I'm making a mess. Damn it, son. Just making a mess. All right. Oh, geez. I've got so much of this dripping on the exhaust. That's going to stink to high hell. Worse than the other noises I've been making. Damn. God damn it. I just fucking... God damn it. I'm making a mess with this stuff. Let this be a lesson to you kids. Don't drink and do these things. Damn. Okay, come on, man. This stuff, I paid $26 for this. This is 1 quart for 26 bucks. Damn it. All right, you know what? I'm gonna have to go get my funnel. I didn't want to, but I am making a freaking mess. God damn it. So this actually is not the funnel I wanted. I grabbed the wrong one, but I'm under here. I'm gonna make it work. And that's the way it is. I'm sorry to, I know I'm blocking the camera. God damn it. I'm making a fucking mess to high hell. God damn it. Fucking making a mess of my garage floor too. Oh, damn it. Look at that fucking mess. Oh my God. Fucking mess to high hell. What is the problem here? The stench is just overwhelming. Damn it. Ow. Oh yeah, plus I get claustrophobic. All right, it's topped off, god damn it. So now, it's time to button things back up. Let's see if I can do this to where I show more than just the back of my hand. So, I've got a square head bolt ready to go. I'm trying to show this to my audience. Okay. All right. Let's get this. I'm going to leave this tag on here, obviously, and line things up. Here we go. I'll fix that once I get it lined up here. Oh, here we go. Back to this I go. Slowly. There's just barely enough room. I get like a quarter turn each time. And that's the way it is. But I'm excited to get this red line in here because I've had great success. I did about 2 years ago, I did a rear differential fluid change, and it was smooth, and it still is smooth, but on the longer rides, it when I come back from the longer rides, I noticed like 90-degree turns, it just barely makes a slight sound in the car. And so I thought I'd use this heavier oil and give it a try and see what happens. So let me put the final high yaws to this thing, and I'm going to run it and burn off all this oil on the exhaust. However, it's now the next day, and I'm sober-ish. So I'm not going to drive. I'm just going to run the car. Get that burnt off. All right. All right. All right. All right. Okay. All right. Boy, the stench is just overwhelming. Good Lord. I know. And just FYI, if your spare tire carriage is in the way of accessing your rear differential, I made a video on that a couple of years ago on how to remove that. And I'll put a link at the end of this video to watch that. I think it's a short video, and you can see how to remove this, because you got to remove this to get to the rear differential. And that's the way it is. So that is the perfect project for automotive on a Saturday afternoon while I'm getting lunch ready for everybody. Kind of swinging back and forth, hoping nothing gets burnt. Phew, I better get back to it. I'm starting to get a little tipsy McDermott. I better get back up to it and finish that project.